to find the right solution. And if the solution that you find is not right, the problem cannot be solved. So in the Democratic Republic of Congo, there is a huge crisis and violence. People are dying. Almost 10 million people have died. So I was looking for the right solution, and I found the solution in Martin Luther King leadership philosophy. You can see the title. So Martin Luther King is well known for his non-violent leadership during the Civil Rights Movement, which was a national effort to eliminate segregation and equality. And he proposed the method of civil rights, the method of civil disobedience for social change. And also, more importantly, he proposed a theory of ethical servant leadership for social justice. So in my thesis, I argue that Martin Luther King leadership model based on two principles. One, the principle of love and the principle of integrity are effective to address correctly the social political problems in Congo. Now, in the Democratic Republic of Congo, there is a political crisis. Most of the politicians there are seeking power in order to enrich themselves and not to serve their fellow citizens. And as the cause of this, because there are causes about, this way of thinking is caused by many factors. The first one is colonization. So Congo experienced a brutal colonization that were able to change the mindset of the people. Instead of serving their own people, now they are trying to oppress their own people. And the second is also dictatorship and tribalism, which is a huge problem now. Congo is composed of 500 tribes, that means 500 ways of living. Instead of these tribes come together to build a country, they are now fighting each other, using violence. And also politicians are using tribalism, tribal influence to divide the people. So as a solution, our goal is to create a just and beloved society, a just and beloved country where every citizen, irrespective of his tribe, can be respected and treated as a human being with dignity. So in order to achieve this goal, as I said, we need to apply the right means. And the means we are proposing to create a just and beloved society is first one, ethical servant leadership. Ethical servant leadership simply means it's about empowerment, not power. So we need leaders who can empower people in order to build the country. And in order also to empower people, we need education. It's one of the powerful instruments that leaders should use to educate the people. And then we talk about no-violence action. Because experience has shown that violence has failed to create a just and beloved society. So we need no-violence direct action to create a just society. We mean that the action, the goals might be consistent with the principle or the means we are using must be consistent with the goal. And lastly, we propose the power of love and the power of integrity. And I'm convinced that the power of love and the power of integrity are the ultimate answer to Congo's problem. Just like he said, violence cannot drive away violence, or hate cannot drive away hate, only love can do that. So love is the only powerful instrument to create a just and beloved society.